Hello, everyone! Our topic is daily housework. We also include 30 sentences, so let's enjoy learning. I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning.
I sweep the floor slowly. I sweep the floor slowly. I clean the table with a cloth. I clean the table with a cloth.
I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner.
I water the plants in the house. I water the plants in the house.
I take out the trash every evening. I take out the trash every evening.
I fold the clothes neatly. I fold the clothes neatly. I do the laundry on weekends. I do the laundry on weekends. I wipe the windows carefully. I wipe the windows carefully.
I organize the bookshelf quietly. I organize the bookshelf quietly. I clean the kitchen sink. I clean the kitchen sink. I cook simple meals at home. I cook simple meals at home. I dust the furniture once a week. I dust the furniture once a week.
I hang the clothes to dry. I hang the clothes to dry.
I vacuum the living room.
I vacuum the living room.
I wash my hands before cleaning. I wash my hands before cleaning.
I arrange the shoes by the door. I arrange the shoes by the door. I clean the bathroom floor. I clean the bathroom floor.
I check the house before sleeping. I check the house before sleeping.
I change the bed sheets. I change the bed sheets.
I put things back in their place. I put things back in their place. I clean the mirror every morning. I clean the mirror every morning. I prepare the house for guests. I prepare the house for guests. I sweep the porch on weekends. I sweep the porch on weekends. I polish the wooden furniture. I polish the wooden furniture. I wipe the kitchen counters after cooking. I wipe the kitchen counters after cooking.
I fold towels neatly. I fold towels neatly. I organize the closet slowly. I organize the closet slowly.
I refill the soap and cleaning supplies. I refill the soap and cleaning supplies. I enjoy keeping my house clean and tidy. I enjoy keeping my house clean and tidy. If you found this lesson helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.